So this one I put on,
Oh, you put an extra one on there.
this super at the bottom was an extra one, say about 8-9 days ago. Quick look. Let's get started on that.
What about that woman on Facebook who was asking, can you pick up a couple of hives?
Couple of hives.
Yeah, on the thing, isn't she, on the page? Can someone come and collect a couple of hives or something, wasn't it?
Well, there was
shed.
a bee's nest in a shed.
Oh, was it a bee's nest, was it?
Yeah, you replied, you said, whereabouts are you?
She didn't come back, did she?
Sorry, girl, I know.
They soon fly out. They're not happy this morning, are they?
No, it's...
Best to leave them out and get the allotment one sorted out.
Well, so I'm just going to whack that super on.
Where are you putting the super on this one?
I see this one could be getting quite full.
I can't remember what this one is. Is that one of the nukes from...
Oh, they got room at the top there, definitely.
Oh yeah,
and
they've
the
got
bottom.
loads of them, yeah. These are the 4 nukes what we overwintered, aren't they? On this pallet?
Yeah, yeah.
They're done well, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, actually. So this was the wooden nuke.
Yeah.
Yeah, which proves, it goes to show that it was a little, I mean, you know, to be honest, that was an absolutely crappy nuke, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
There's no insulation, if you like. It was all damp and mouldy on top, and like, you know, they come through the strongest. Right.
Well, I don't think you need the super straight away, do you?
I mean, that one is getting full at the bottom there, isn't it? But I think I'm just going to wait.
Well, you're coming back Wednesday, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can probably take them 2 off and put that one on, mate, couldn't you?
Yeah, and even these ones, I mean, I can condense them down to one super because they're not filling up so quick. I think that's what I'm gonna. Do. So it's just, I've got them smooth leave, lazy, innit? Done a little bit, not loads.
But they're getting on with it, aren't
I mean, you know, it's a brew box as well. So you think end of the month and well, a couple of weeks into August, there'll be a bit more in there, hopefully. So I can just take the frames out, let them be extracted, and happy days. Right, that's enough.
That'll do for today.